A pair of Bose QC45 Bluetooth headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect directly to a Vizio smart TV. Now this is a 2023 model. The exact model number will be on the bottom. So with this model here, first thing we're just going to go to settings, okay? On the remote, we can go directly to the settings right there, that little gear icon. So let me press on that gear icon, and then we're just going to go down one where it says pair headphones. So go down and then click on OK on the remote. All right, so now it's searching for other devices. So let's grab our Bose QC45 and let's put this in pairing mode, okay? So let me turn these on first, and then I'm gonna put it in pairing mode. We'll know it's in pairing mode when it's like a blinking blue light. So let me go ahead and put it in pairing mode right now because I think it's already connected to my iPhone. Okay, let me hold this up, wait till I see a blue blinking light. Or it should say in pairing mode too. Okay, now you can see it blinking blue right there. Yep, and there it is, it just found it. You can see right there the Bose QC45. So let me go down right there and we're gonna pair it. We're gonna click on OK on the remote. And we should get a solid blue light once it's connected. Yep, solid blue light right there. And you can see the check mark on the Bose, and there you go. I'm ready to watch my Netflix or YouTube on my TV, do these bad boys, all right? Also, if you guys can't get into pairing mode, you have issues connecting or pairing, you can always reset these as well, okay? Look in the link below, I'll show you how to reset these, okay? Good luck, guys.